Oh, hello there. Do you want to know something about the Earth? The Earth, also known as the blue planet, it was born around 4.5 billion years ago through the process of Big Bang Theory. The Earth is located on the solar system, local interstellar cloud, local bubble, Goldwyn, Orion, Cygnus, Arc, Milky Way galaxy, Milky Way subgroup, local group, Virgo, supercluster, Virgo, Hydra, Centaurus, supercluster, BCC2, supercluster complex, universe, multiverse, omniverse, multiverse, mind of God, or simply the third planet on the solar system of Pluto. And now we learn about properties of
the Earth's density is 5.52 grams per cubic inch.
And composed of 34.6% iron and 29.5% oxygen,
15.2% silicon,
and 12.7% magnesium, 2.4% nickel, 1.9% sulfur, and 0.05% titanium.
Ako, Mr. Curie!
Magandang umaga, Mr. Curie. Nais ko lang po kasi madagdagan ang aking kaalaman tungkol sa dimensions ng aking tinitirhan na Earth. Nais ko lang po sana tanongin kung ano ang diameter nito.
Ang diameter ay 7,926 miles.
Paano naman po ang kanyang circumference?
Circumference ba? Ito ay 24,902 miles.
Wow! Napakagaling nyo naman po. Paano naman po ang kanyang mass at shape?
Mas ba? Ito ay 5.97 to 2919 times 10 to the 24 kilograms.
Tapos po ang kanyang shape?
Ang shape niya ay oblate spheroid.
Ay, ang galing niyo po. Maraming salamat po. So, ulitin.
Oh!
And now let's go to the third property of the Earth, its surface property.
You go.
Earth's surface is covered with 71% water. This liquid water is essential for life and is also responsible for the erosion experienced on Earth's land masses. The effect of erosion and tectonic plate movement have rendered Earth's surface younger than the actual age of planet by about 5,000 billion years. In other words, the Earth is believed to be 4.5 to 4.6 billion years old. However, the oldest known rocks are 4 billion years old, with rocks older than 3 billion years being rare. Erosion. Hi! So, yan, syempre pumunta na tayo sa pinaka-last property ng Earth ay ang, syempre, ang kanyang layers. So, halika, tignan itong figure ko.
Yan, nakikita nyo to, merong 5 layers ng Earth. Yung crust niya, itong manipis na to. Yung upper mantle, itong medyo pinkish na to. Tapos, yung transition zone, itong medyo basta orange ata yan. Tapos, yung lower mantle niya, itong blue part. Tapos, itong core niya, yan. So, yung crust reaches down 24 miles and is composed of primarily of quartz, yan. Primary of quartz, yan. Upper mantle naman, 234 miles thick and it's composed of olivine and pyroxene or iron or magnesium silicates. Yan. Itong pink, itong upper. Yung transition zone naman is 250 miles thick and it's the region where liquid magma begins to harden while subducted mantle rock melts into magma. Yan yun. Tapos yung lower mantle naman, 403 miles below the surface yan and composed of mostly silicon, magnesium, and oxygen with trace amounts of iron, calcium, and aluminum. Yan. Tapos itong last to, itong core. Found at a depth of 2,167 miles. Noong lalim. It's composed of iron with some nickel and the source of the Earth's magnetic field due to its churning. Yan. Tapos, ano na tayo? Meron tayong, ang tawag dito? Discontinuity. Discontinuity, ano mga ba yun? Yun yung nagsiseparate. Kunyari, sa tubig at oil. Yung gitna nun, para di maghalo. Discontinuity yun. May ganun ang crust at mantle. May ganun ang crust at mantle. Ang tawag doon, Mohorovic discontinuity. Habang sa mantle at core naman, ay Gutenberg discontinuity. Yun lang, bye-bye!
Now let's talk about the rotation of the Earth. Take this rock for example. It takes the Earth 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4.09 seconds to complete one full turn. The speed of rotation at any point upon the equator is a rate of 1,038 miles per hour, and decreases to zero as it reaches the poles.
Revolution. Take this rock as an example of the Earth. While this very, very huge rock as the example of the Sun. The revolution of the Earth around the Sun traverses a distance of 595 million miles in 365 days, 6 hours, 9 minutes, and 9.5 seconds. This means a speed of 18 miles a second or 66,000 miles per hour, while at the same time rotating one each 24 hours.
Kaya ang axis ng Earth, nakatik ng 20 degrees. Habang tumatagal, umiikot na rin yan. Yan ang precision. Dati, nakaturo tayo 47 degrees from the Polaris. Ngayon, nakaturo tayo doon. Kaya, yes. The solar system movement.
I'm the Sun, the center of the solar system. I'm the Earth, the third planet from the Sun.
As the Earth orbits around the Sun, the Sun also orbits around the Milky Way.
Hindi, random lang yun. Wala tayong Milky Way.
Random lang kaya yun. Pollution has 4 types. Land pollution, water pollution,
And air pollution.
and noise pollution.
Pangalawa sa listahan, global warming. Ano nga ba ang global warming?
Ang global warming ay ang pag-init ng mundo dahil sa mga pollution at greenhouse gases.
Okay. Ang isang epekto ng global warming ay mga usok. Usok na galing sa sakyan, pabrika, sigarilyo, at mga sunog-sunog. So, ano nga ba ang epekto ng global warming? Easy lang yan. Umiinit ang ating mundo. Iniinit ang ating mundo dahil sa global warming. At ano nga bang pwedeng ang magandang solusyon dyan? Simple lang. Iwasan nyo yung mga causes. Bye-bye! Last but not the least, climate change. Ngayon, mag-interview natin ang pinakamatalinong scientist sa Annex. At yan ay walang iba kundi si Mr. Cedric. Mali. Mr. Cedric Katakutan. So, Mr. Cedric, ano nga po ba ang nais mong sabihin tungkol sa climate change?
Climate change. Definition, pagbabago ng klima. Seasonal yan, natural. Sa may tintang earth. Causes, yun nga, it's natural. Ganun. So, wala tayong mapipinpoint na cause, kundi, but, meron tayong contribution, pero little bit lang. Effects, yung little bit na contribution natin is nagiging kasi namamagnify na yung power ng typhoon at mas nagiging frequent na sila. Kasi ganun. Tapos, ano ba? Solution?
Save the environment, plant trees.
Maraming salamat po. So, yun po si Mr. Cedric Katakutan para sa climate.
Density of the earth is 5.52 grams per cubic inch.
Go! Go!
29.5% oxygen. 15.2% silica.
Go! And 12.7% magnesium, 24.4% nickel, 2.4 pala, percent nickel, 1.9
Land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. Anong ginagawa mo? Pollution has 4 types. Land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution.
personally. Ayan.
Ilang bukas na ako. Stop. Ay, hindi ko pa na-record yun. Ito ay... Hi, sir.